Did your diesel truck suddenly lose power, go into a restrictive limp mode, and start blowing dark black smoke out of the tailpipe? You could be facing a serious issue with your heavy-duty emission system that needs immediate attention. Today we are breaking down diagnostic trouble code P20C5, which stands for Reductant Heater Decontrol Circuit Open. This error code pops up on modern diesel vehicles that use diesel exhaust fluid to manage emissions. Modern diesels produce massive amounts of power and torque, but to meet strict federal emission standards, they use a selective catalytic reduction system. This complex system injects diesel exhaust fluid directly into the exhaust stream to help the catalytic converter filter out harmful pollutants. The catch is that diesel exhaust fluid can freeze solid during extreme cold weather. To stop that from happening, vehicle manufacturers build electrical reductant heaters right into the fluid reservoir and the supply hoses. When the powertrain control module tries to turn on the specific reductant heater labeled as Heater D, but senses absolutely no electrical voltage in that control circuit, it triggers this open circuit code. The symptoms are extremely noticeable and disruptive to your driving. You will likely feel a massive drop in engine power, see a lot of black exhaust smoke, experience terrible fuel efficiency, and you might even see a cluster of other emissions-related codes on your dashboard. The root cause is usually a dead reductant heater element inside the tank, or broken, corroded, or shorted wiring in the main control circuit. Sometimes, a bad temperature sensor or even a computer programming glitch can cause it, especially if the code appears during the middle of summer when freezing is impossible. For troubleshooting, you want to start with a very close visual inspection. Get underneath the truck and look at the harnesses and connectors around the diesel exhaust fluid tank. Look for any melted plastic, frayed wires, or heavy rust caused by road salt. If the wiring looks intact, you would normally use a digital multimeter to check the fuses and verify that full battery voltage is actually reaching the system. You have to test those fuses under a heavy electrical load to avoid a misdiagnosis. But here is the reality. If you are not highly experienced with reading complex wiring diagrams or using advanced scan tools to command the emissions computer, you need to take this to a certified diesel mechanic. This is considered a severe code. Ignoring it can disable your entire emissions system and permanently destroy your extremely expensive catalytic converter. Get it fixed quickly so you can get back to hauling safely. Thanks for listening, and catch you on the next repair video.